hands up to here. I got people in my ear telling me these crazy things that I don't wanna know.
Fuck y'all.
I got money in the bank and I really like to thank all the fans. I like to thank you really.